hopping and leaping. We're going to start this activity on the floor, which is a really good thing to do. Any of your gymnastics skills, you can do them on the floor before you bring them onto the beam. It's actually really good practice. So let's have a look at your hop on the floor. Very good. Now it looks easy on the floor. We're going to bring it up onto the beam. I would recommend you do that first. Okay, she's got to try and lift that knee above her hip height as she hops along, keeping the base leg really strong. And again. Very nice. Slow down a little bit. Good. Okay, very nice. Practice this lots before you move on to backwards. Okay, we are going to show you backwards, so turn around. This is really hard for you to keep the knee lifted, but see if you can keep it above your hip. As she hops along the beam, the knee's dropping. You want to keep it as high as you can. Very nice. Let's watch that once more. Before she starts, I'm going to challenge her, and this could be the same challenge for you at home. Can you have a go on the other leg? Right, off we go. Practice all of your hops and your leaps on both legs. Very good, really nice. Okay, now to move on to leaping. So we're going to imagine a big puddle here on the middle of the beam, and she's not allowed to get her feet wet. And that's going to encourage you to split your legs as wide as you can. We're ideally looking for a split shape in the air. Very nice. Right, just hold that position there where you finished. Okay, I want you to have a look at this position. This is what you're looking for to finish. Okay, it's really important. You want to show that you finished and you've landed the skill. Let's watch again. Okay, we're going to watch this skill in slow motion.